So I had this beautiful mirror delivered and it was smashed in the corner. So I rang up the Ranges customer services. They were very good and it went a little bit something like this. Hi, I've just had my mirror delivered and it's broken in the corner.
Oh, we're ever so sorry about that. Send us a picture on email now, we'll see what we can do. Okay, yes, I can see the damage. So if you'd like to dispose of the mirror, we'll send you a new one out.
Okay, that'd be great. Thank you, bye. Well, I didn't dispose of it because I can't stand waste. I mean, yeah, you don't want a broken mirror with bits of glass shards sort of flaking off every now and again, which it was doing. So I thought, could I fix it or disguise it somehow? So that's what I did. So I ended up having two mirrors because I couldn't bring myself to throw the first one away. No way, not just because of that damage in the corner. But obviously it wasn't fit for my intended use originally, which was to do a bathroom cabinet. So I altered my downstairs toilet mirror by putting this one in with my adaptation. So I hope you enjoy. It's a very short little video. But yeah, it shows what you can do even if you have something damaged. Otherwise it would have gone in the bin, in a landfill. But now it's in my downstairs toilet. And I've got a bathroom cabinet mirror as well that I made. Brilliant. So here I'm just using paper so I can make a template for how I want the wood to curve at both sides. And my dog Reggie is very insistent on helping. I think he may have knocked the camera. I'm going to blame my dog because there we go. I just realised. Oh, there we are. The mess of all the packaging. Right, back we go again. And again, no, not right. Get in there. Ooh, seasick. There we go. Yeah, okay. So here I am with a piece of paper, just getting the curvature correct for when I use this as a template to draw onto the wood. Some astute among you might be wondering why I'm actually doing this on the floor in my living room. Well, in a moment you will see a clip of my lovely tidy shed, then you'll understand why I'm actually doing this bit in here. I thought I'd show you my lovely disorganised shed. I'm a bit of a hoarder when it comes to wood, because you just never know, do you? You just never know. I have got another video coming up and I totally reorganised my shed and I love it. It looks amazing. So look forward to that one. Well, I will. So anyway, yeah, back to the project here. So yeah, really pleased with how this fits in. Gonna do something about that hole, don't worry. I'm gonna do, well, you'll see. Yeah. So yeah, so a mirror that I've saved and I didn't have to dispose of because of that. I'll show you the end result of the previous mirror, but before that we're moving on to the second mirror that was sent to me. Brilliant news, it wasn't damaged, so they really did some good packaging on this one. The size of this cabinet was dictated by the size of the mirror, so I wanted the mirror to be bigger than the actual cabinet. So I'm just making the frame that's going to form the cabinet for the second mirror. So I'm wood gluing, pilot hole and screwing the sides together. At a later date I would like this cabinet section actually, how can I say, like they do in America, they have a lot of cabinets actually dug into the wall, so it just looks like a mirror, but then you open it and it's like a surprise, there's a cabinet behind there, but you don't actually see it when the mirror is closed, or rather when the cabinet mirror is closed, because it looks flush to the wall and looks like a normal mirror. But for now I've just attached it onto the wall of my bathroom. So towards the end of this little video you'll see both the finished cabinet mirror and also the fixed mirror, the one that had the crack in. So now I've screwed together and created the rectangular box. I'm using the tension of the sides to actually hold in the first shelf. You can just about see a biro mark where I've marked approximately where I would like it to go. And then I'm just sort of manoeuvring it into position. It's quite tight, which is good. And there's nothing heavy going on these, so I'm not going to put screws in, and this wood glue is very strong. When making your own cabinet, take into account the things that you're going to put in it, such as, for this one, it's my electric toothbrush, which is actually quite tall, so I made the other shelf not quite as low. And I'm such a clutter bug as well. I tend to have like a million soaps, a million shampoos, 1,000... I know, moisturise. Well, slight exaggeration there, but you get the picture. So having a smaller bathroom cabinet really helps you edit down the things that you have. You don't need excess, maybe a couple of spare ones in a cupboard somewhere, but I'm really trying to edit down the things that I've got, and then they're great for, you know, to give away to people who might want them more. I'm just taking the mirror holders out the back so I can put in a piece of wood to bring it up level, ready for the hinges, so it's got a more of a secure sort of foundation to grip onto. Obviously when putting screws in new places, because it's a mirror, you need to be very careful that you don't go straight through and crack the mirror. It's a very anxious time. Here I'm just putting some snap close hinges on, but I later take them off. Here's the white plastic thing, I don't know what it's called, Techiturn white plastic thing. And then here's some other hinges I tried. And then here's a little magnetic door holder thing. Oh, this is so helpful.